Hello everybody, August 12th, 2018, 12:15 p.m. This is what happens when you sleep in. We've had an earthquake about an hour ago, give or take a little longer than an hour ago, northern Alaska, Brooks Range. You can see I have the actual coordinates marked here on Google Earth. There is a pretty significant swarm going on right here, between magnitude 6.1 and 6.7. Again, on my tablet, this thing showed as a 6.7 earthquake. I jump on my laptop, and then all of a sudden it's down to a 6.1. Let's see what type of info we have for this. There was a tsunami warning involved with it, but it has since been canceled. As you can see here, it is green. Green means there was an earthquake with this possibility of a tsunami. Obviously, there's no tsunami threat or warning attached to this. We can also see on this page here, about an hour ago, 6.1, they're calling it, 9 kilometers in depth. Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, United States. So this is a mountain range that slopes down in this area. That's why I had the, actually here's the buoy center. The buoy center did not go off, and this happened right around this area here. This one's actually turned off. Stations with no data in the last 8 hours, so that's pretty convenient. This station has been shut off for the last 8 hours at least. This one is functioning but is showing no movement. You can actually see Hurricane Hector still making its way towards typhoon territory. But that's about it. Just wanted to get this info out to you guys. Pretty significant quake. Now, the biggest earthquake, I guess, on record for Alaska in general. Alaska is a big place, so this is just a little bit of history for you. 9.2 magnitude, March 27th, 1964. That is massive. Now you can see this is more on the southern part of Alaska, which could easily have caused a tsunami. In fact, it may have. Two types of tsunamis were produced by this subduction zone earthquake. There was a tectonic tsunami produced in addition to about 20 smaller and local tsunamis. So this 9.2, 9.3 earthquake back in the day caused some significant issues in the ocean, the Pacific Ocean to be exact. Every coastline was affected, and there was multiple. Death toll, I don't think really necessary to get into that as we were talking about a current quake now, but you could see a picture here from the 64 quake. But once again, guys, they're calling it a 6.1, and you can see the grouping yourself. These red ones are very current. This is that Brooks mountain range right here. It comes kind of this way, and this is the eastern edge of it. It actually ends right around here, so this is exactly where that earthquake was. You can click on it here. Gives you some information here, 64 kilometers southwest of Kakatovikk, I believe you say, Alaska. The tsunami info is there, which has been canceled, and the shake map is there. People did feel this. I mean, you could zoom in and see it's not really much of a habitable area, but you never know. A lot of people live out here, and it was a big enough quake and shallow enough to where it could be felt in many areas surrounding. Again, I always point to specific earthquake channels for more detail on this stuff, but I do like reporting these as it is a significant quake in the northern area of Alaska. So with that said, guys, I'm working on more videos for today, and I will talk to you soon. Enjoy, stay safe, bye-bye.